In this video, you'll learn about what AR is, how it's used, and its capabilities. Let's start with the basics first. Augmented reality, or AR, is any kind of digital layer that is placed over the physical world in a way that allows you to still be present in it. What does that even mean? Chances are you've seen, and probably used, a face filter on Instagram. And if you know what we're talking about here, you shared it with your friends so they could see your handiwork. But there's more than face filters. AR enhances, adds to, or helps conceptualize a topic, so the information is more meaningful. Not sure what that looks like? How about if you're shopping around for a new sofa, and you're not sure if the one you picked will look good in your space? You use an app and place the image of the sofa right into your living room to see if it works. Now picture this. You're sitting on that new sofa, flipping channels on TV. You see lines and stats when you're watching sports. The distance and angle of a penalty kick on the rugby pitch, how far in front of the world record a swimmer is, or if the ball is in or out at a tennis match. It may not have even occurred to you, but that's all AR. It's literally all around us, from manufacturing to the medical realm to education, and so much more. The capabilities of AR are endless, and we're only just scratching the surface.